If your electric oven light is out, here are the 7 most probable causes. The most likely cause is the light bulb has burned out. You should be able to replace the bulb with a new one, but make sure you purchase a bulb that matches your particular range or oven model. The entire light assembly might be faulty. Some manufacturers don't sell light assembly components separately, so you may need to replace the entire assembly to solve the problem. Ovens normally have a door switch that will turn the light off inside the oven when the door is closed. If the door switch is defective, the light may not appear to be working. To help determine this, you can use a multimeter to test the door switch for continuity, a continuous electrical path present in the part. If the switch tests negative for continuity, you will need to replace it. The light socket the bulb is threaded into could also be faulty. You can use the multimeter to help determine if the socket is receiving power. If the socket is receiving power, but the light bulb won't work, then the socket will probably need to be replaced. If the oven has a separate light switch to turn the light on and off, the switch could be malfunctioning. Again, you can use a multimeter to test the switch for electrical continuity to determine if the part has failed. The touchpad or control board regulate the power supply to all of the oven components, including the oven light. Although this is rarely the case, the touchpad or control board could be defective and require replacement. You should first confirm the other potentially defective components are working properly before replacing the touchpad or board. A faulty transformer could also be responsible for the oven light not working, although this is not a common problem. Again, you should confirm all other potentially defective components are working properly before choosing to replace the transformer. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your appliance in our website search bar to find the specific replacement part that will fix your oven.